Ross Life Science Private Limited is a contract research organization based in Pune and has been operating since 2008. The name Ross is derived from Nobel laureate Dr. Ronald Ross, who discovered how malaria is transmitted from mosquito to man. Ross also stands for Research-Oriented Systemic Studies. Ross Life Science has number of accreditations to its credit and has received various awards and accolades for its contributions. Ross Life Science is an OECD GLP certified, ISO 17025 accredited, DSIR recognized and CIB and RC approved laboratory, along with TRACE certification for transparency in commercial dealings. Ross is engaged in analytical services including registration data generation, especially in the field of integrated pest management, which involves crop protection, public health, household insecticides and veterinary ectoparasiticides and home care. Ross Life Science has expert and experienced staff comprising of organic chemists, entomologists and ecotoxicologists, microbiologists and certified sensory panel, coupled with state-of-the-art infrastructure laboratory for conducting product development and analytical studies assisted by a technical advisory panel of repute. Ross Life Science offers registration data generation, coordination with state agriculture universities, package of practices, health monitoring studies, and post-marketing surveillance. Chemistry facility of Ross Life Science includes various activities in analytical chemistry, stability studies including container content compatibility studies, and evaporation chamber. The facility has well-equipped storage stability chambers to conduct shelf life studies as per the CPAC, WHO and local regulatory guidelines. The lab facilitates at Ross Life Science involves sophisticated equipment like HPLC, MSMS, GCMS, FTIR for obtaining accurate and reproducible results. Residue and persistency studies. Ross Life Science offers innovative and sustainable solution in new product development and has sophisticated laboratory to conduct activities related to formulation development along with development of appropriate delivery substrates. The laboratory also has competency in synthesis of new molecules including impurities required for registration purposes. Analytical chemistry facility in Ross Life Science involves evaluation of physico-chemical properties including 5 batch analysis of active ingredient and its formulation as per the international guidelines. Ross Life Science conducts residue and persistency studies in plant, soil and water and has the necessary infrastructure to conduct studies as per local and international guidelines. Ross Life Science has well-equipped laboratory for conducting packaging trials that include drop test, vibration test, inclined impact test, swing impact test, and stack load test. The Entomology Division of Ross Life Science has expertise and competency for conducting assessment of various insecticide products against target pests both in lab as well as field. The entomology facility at Ross Life Science has insect rearing colonies of insect household and public health importance along with colonies of stored grain pests. The entomology testing facility is equipped with various chambers for evaluating efficacy of insecticide products. It consists of peat Grady chambers and 30 cubic meter large chambers with air exchange facility, direct spray knockdown chamber and also residual efficacy panel for storing various panels Ross Life Science also conducts various field trials involving crop protection chemicals and household and vector control insecticides that involves trials with herbicides, insecticides, fungicides and PGR in agrochemical segment. Field trials with repellents and other household formats like coils, mats, aerosols, liquid electric and burn paper, and with public health products like larvicide and thermal fogging concentrates, etc. Ross Life Science conducts ecotoxicity studies in aquatic and terrestrial organisms as per OECD guidelines. The microbiology department of Ross Life Science is involved in activities related to evaluation of biopesticides, disinfectants and air sanitizers for assessing performance of products. The lab also specializes in conducting cell assays for screening of endocrine disruptors. Ross Life Science has ability to perform descriptive analysis of various product forms that includes a trained certified sensory panel for assessing parameters like visual, ergonomics, sensory and acoustic based on client's requirement supported by appropriate statistical analysis. Ross Life Science is committed to achieve highest standards of safety, health and environment. Welcome to Ross. Welcome to life. Excellence through innovation.